Gorgeous little babies, just about to change their bedding. Seems a shame because they're all asleep so nicely. Oh, look at him. Oh. Hello. It's a little green colour, red collar. What's this one? It's the green one. It's the beige, little yellow collar. Look at the tubby little chops they are. That's a light blue collar. It's a little... Got your head in the way, Binge. You're looking over them, keeping an eye on them all. Oh, can you get in with your bobbies? There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Now they'll all have a frenzy when they smell their mummies in there. Oh, look at this little bear. Oh, it's coming away. Oh, mum's in there. Mum's in. Mum's in. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Just like ants. Oh my goodness. I'm going to come to change all your bedding, you lot. You're going to have some food first. Sleepyhead, you're a bit late. You're getting to the milk bar. Oh, quick, quick. Oh. Milk bar's open. Quick, Mum's in. Milk bar's open. How strong they are up on their legs. They're so... Oh. I can't wait to see them up and running about. But I suppose I shouldn't wish their lives away. Okay. That's the little puppy cam for today. Can't see now, they're all busy at the milk bar. Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little test pour that I'm going to do on this 25 by 30 canvas. And I've got this little colander, so it's going to be a diddy colander pour in readiness to try the big babe, the big beauty colander. I'll try that one on a bigger canvas, but I thought I'd try this smaller colander first. So this is an experimento. I'll just shut my door. Usually everybody knows then when my door to my studio is shut that they've got to be a little bit extra cautious when they're coming in. Okay, so I'm trying out a new microphone today. I have bought a new iPhone because I couldn't get hold of the iPad in Australia at the moment, so I have to wait for that. So let's hope the equipment doesn't fail me today. This has got a little rim around the bottom, so I'm not sure how that will go, but that's the whole idea of this particular test. My paints today were the Mont signature acrylics, and I have got them mixed with the flow medium, and I am trying the boom booster in the colander pour. All of the links and information is below this video. So they're all mixed up, and I'm just going to pour my little heart's content and see how we go. So I will pour the white in first. And I'm going to pour some navy. So I have no idea how this one will actually turn out. I haven't done a colander pour for a fair while now. So this is the carmine it's called, and I'll add to that some pink. So it's just exploring again, as I've been doing mostly this week, just trying different things, different pouring mediums, different paints. I'll go to the, this was the Berry Delicious that I made up myself. So the Berry Delicious, this particular one was I think I used the crimson, a dash of phthalo blue, Oh, there we go, the dog skull. And then if you want to send it even darker than that, add 1 dash of black. You get real nice sort of deep cherry or a dark cherry. This is the orange. I'm gonna finish this off in there. And I always like to put a good dash of bright yellow in with my orange, just makes it even more delicious. I'll just finish off that. I'm not sure if when I do a colander pour if I'm supposed to go around, but you know, I suppose my art, my way. So there we go. I'm just trying to pour this one in the center now. So this is the yellow. I think I've probably even got enough paint in there without adding any more, but not. So I might add my lovely favourite, one of my favourite. Oh, so many colours are my favourite. So it's the turquoise. So this is just a diddy. A small diddy is small, so a diddy colander pour. And thank you guys for joining me and the lovely comments you've been giving me, and thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. I absolutely appreciate it. So thank you guys. Oh well, that's interesting, those colours. See how we go with this one. Just hear my husband turning up now. So, and I think I will finish this particular one off with white. So to get those. Now because it has that lip on the bottom, has the lip, I guess when I lift it up, it's gonna, let's see if I can just do it nice and slow. Let the paint come out. Whoop, there you go. Wow, okay. Interesting, she says. Interesting. So, colander pour. But remember, this is not my normal pouring medium, because I normally make my own pouring medium up of glue and water. That recipe is in the drop down box, but I also will link my trying this acrylic flow medium, Mont, and the boom booster, which is obviously a silicone that's normally meant to go in the boom gel paints. So let's give this a gentle tilt around this canvas. Would you normally, I'm just thinking if I should add some heat to get any cells to come up at this point, but I think I'll just go around nice and slowly, just trying to spread the love around the canvas. Wow, it's an unusual look, isn't it? It's reminding me at the moment of loads of elephant trunks or bamboo stalks. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's a weird one. So just nice and gently taking your time. And I am certainly no expert in these colander pours. I think Molly and loads of others do these pours, these particular colander pours. I know Molly does gorgeous ones. Molly Corey Leash is her name, I think. Everybody knows Molly, she's lovely. Wow. don't want to spread it too much over those edges. Maybe if I just pour a bit of the navy that's already there, I'll see what I can do with it. I don't like spreading it when I'm not too keen on the bit in the middle, so I'm not sure what I can do. I love this look around here. That's something different for me. Anyway, just not particularly liking that, but we will see. Let me think. What would you do with the center of that? Could do some. Now I'll see how we go when I torch it. So I'm just using my heat embossing gun, my heat wand, wonder wand. See what I can bring up. Wowzers trousers. I think I might have to tip more off because it might be too thick sitting there. Let me see if I can noodle. Oh, too scared now. Okay. Oh well. Got all those lovely colours in there. So vibrant, those colours. They're beautiful. Very, very vibrant, but I'm not sure about this particular colander pour. So I'm sure you'll let me know what you think. And if any of you have got any tips or tricks, I should definitely be watching more videos on these colander pours myself. So as I think something needs to be in the center there. I don't think balloon kissing in the center because there's not much color. Maybe if I add a little bit of color. Decisions. What would you do, guys? Maybe if I bring some color in from the outside in. Take some colour from here and bring it in here. See if that does anything. Just got to keep trying. Don't give up if you're not happy with it. Just do something and try, and remembering it's only paint. If it doesn't work out, it's not rocket science or anything. Oh, I think that actually bringing the colour out from the edge and in, at least it got rid of that uninteresting piece. I think that's interesting. Oh my goodness, I quite like it now. Definitely bringing the colour from the outside into the middle gives it the je ne sais quoi. Is that what they used to say? Oh, I have no idea. Okay, that's a bit of bright, in your face. Cells are coming up right now as we speak. Let's see. Bit more. The colours are so vibrant. I'm not sure if it's the pouring medium or what. Very, very deliciosa. I'm going to leave it there. These are coming up. Wait for the end either put some puppy cam on the end or the beginning of my video, and I'll have some photos of this dry piece. But yeah, any tips and tricks for this colander pour for when I try the big colander would be helpful. So thank you guys again. Thanks for subscribing. Bye for now. There's a little bit closer. That any good? Okay, I'll take some photos and just wait for the next exciting episode. That will be tomorrow. So thank you. Bye for now.